Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to tint your tail lights. You want a nice cool day, you don't want to do it directly in the sun. You can take them out for better results, but you can do it on your vehicle. I'm going to be showing you how to do it on this old tail light. Basically what you want is to get you some 600 grit sandpaper. That's 800, Tony. 600 grit, it sticks better, or a gray or red Scotch-Brite. I prefer wet sanded. Then you can get you some lens tint. Now, personally, if I was going to do this for a vehicle of my own, I wouldn't pay $7.99 for this. I'd rather do it with a 2K clear coat with a little bit of black mixed in. I'll be on a new video coming up soon. But right now I'm going to show you how to do it for about $7, $8 with this Rustoleum lens tint. So first thing you want to do, get you some, if you're using the same way I'm doing it, get you some Dawn dish liquid, mix it in a little bowl, and wet sand this with your 600 grit. Tony? Sand every nook and cranny you can get it. And be more gentle. This is just a demonstration anyway. Now, when you scuff it, it will look a little bit faded. This is actually still drying a little bit more. You want to make sure it's completely dry before you spray it. And definitely make sure it's not too hot out when you do spray it, because it will make the paint peel. So that being said, go ahead and shake your can up for the recommended amount of time. And then come back when it's dry and I'll show you what to do. Okay guys, we got our paint. Let's go ahead, and you want to do light coats. Just like so. And basically what it's doing is tinting your lights black. The more coats you do, the darker it gets. Let's go ahead and just cover it. About 2 light coats. And it's already helped quite a bit. Now you want to wait a flash time. The flash time on these is, well, this can of paint don't give a flash time. Anyway, I like to give this a flash time about probably 5 minutes before putting the other coat on. And you don't want to exceed 3 coats because you can make it too dark. So let's go ahead. Even strokes, backwards and forwards. You want to make sure there ain't no dry spots in it. Now, they make a couple brands of this, and Rustoleum's got the heaviest orange peel and splatter that I've seen out of these cans. The other can's got a different kind of nozzle and does a whole lot better. I think Duplicolor makes them. I ain't 100% on that, don't hold me to it. I'll make another video using that, but let's go ahead and get a thumbnail for this. Ta-da! But as I said, we're gonna let that dry, and that should be pretty good for like $8, you know, maybe 10 if you count the sandpaper and paint, give or take. So this is the finished product. It's dried overnight. It's a little dusty, don't mind the dirt on it, but as you can see, it does got a lot of orange peel in it. As I said before, the type of nozzle has a lot to do with that. There's another brand, I think Duplicolor makes it, don't hold me to it, but it actually lays on a lot smoother. Now, I have used this in the past, but it ain't on vehicles that I personally would keep. But for like $10 to do both of your tail lights and stuff, is it okay? I don't know. It's my opinion is this stuff does fade in about a year being outside. It don't last, and then you just with shitty faded tail lights. I personally would do a good 2K clear coat with a little bit of black dipped in, tinted, and spray it down like that. But for something quick and easy, then by all means, go this route. If you keep it waxed and stuff, it actually might not fade, but I do know they fade within a year or so from personal experience. So drop me a like if you enjoyed this video. If you used this product and got better results in the past, let me know in the comment section. I enjoy hearing from you guys. And also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check my channel out. Show your support by hitting that subscribe button. I appreciate it if you do. I have more videos like this coming soon.